Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun and easy recipe for you guys, some ginger pork ramen noodles. So stay tuned for the full recipe. So I started off by slicing my sweet peppers. I sliced 2 whole sweet peppers, 1 green and 1 red. I then went ahead and grated 2 whole carrots. For this recipe, I grated some fresh ginger. If you have ginger paste, that will work as well. I roughly chopped some green onions that I'll be using in my recipe as well. Once the oil was hot enough, I added my ground pork. To my ground pork, I went ahead and added some salt and some pepper. I also went in with some garlic powder, some onion powder, as well as some chili powder. I used a spatula to mix it in and also break up the pork at the same time. Once we're done breaking up our pork, we're gonna let it cook, and once it's finished cooking, this is how it's supposed to look. We're gonna remove it from our pan, and then we'll be using that same pan for our sauce. Once we remove our pork, we're gonna add our grated ginger and our chopped green onions. I also added some minced garlic and let that cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I then added my sliced bell peppers and my shredded carrots. I added my fresh broccoli florets as well as some beef broth. For flavor, I added my sesame oil and soy sauce mixture as well as some brown sugar. We're going to mix that in and let that cook until our veggies are tender. Once they are tender enough or to your liking, we're going to add our pork that we cooked earlier and mix that together so that pork can soak up all that juice. So to the easiest step of the recipe, we're going to get a pot of boiling water, add some salt, and add our chicken ramen noodles. We will not be using the seasoning pack, just the noodles. We're going to cook per package instructions. Once that's done, we're going to add it to our pork mixture, and this is how mine turned out. It was a beautiful dish. Who would know that ramen can make such a good meal? It was so delicious. It was so fun. I think this is a great recipe for family, friends, and kids. It is delicious. It is a must try. So you already know, if you like this video and if you want to try this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe, and you will see me in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.